Do you want to create a difference in your writing and want to use different words instead of comparing? So you may use likewise, same as, just like, similar to, and in the same way. In addition to it, if you want to use for highlighting some other words, you may say indeed, obviously, definitely, in particular, or without a doubt. So use differently, write differently, and be different writer. Moreover, show a result, thus, therefore, consequently, for this reason, and as a consequence of something. If you want to learn more, hit like, subscribe, and share. This is Learn English with Amina, none other than your own, very own channel on YouTube for learning the best English.